Ever printed a QR code with no idea if anyone scanned it? Let me show you how to track every scan. Open your browser and go to QRLynx.com. You can start tracking for free. Step 1. Create a new QR code and toggle on dynamic URL and track scans. Step 2. Check your dashboard for total scans, active codes, and performance trends. Step 3. Open Analytics for location, devices, browsers, and CSV export. Here's what gets tracked: total scans, unique visitors, location, device type, browser, and a complete scan timeline, all in real time. Pro tips: add UTM parameters for Google Analytics. Test before printing, and check Analytics weekly. That's it. Start tracking your QR code scans for free at QRLynx.com.